Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use a jump pack. First, ensure your jump pack is fully charged and ready for action. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective gloves and eye protection. Before you begin, make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral and the ignition is completely off. This simple preparation helps prevent any accidental movements or electrical issues, setting you up for a smooth and safe jumpstart. Now, let's connect the jump pack. Take the red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your dead car battery. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal surface on your engine block or chassis, away from the battery itself. This creates a safe ground connection. Double-check that both clamps are firmly in place to ensure a good electrical contact. Avoid letting the clamps touch each other once connected. With the jump pack connected, turn it on and wait for about 60 seconds. This allows the battery to get a small charge. Now, try to start your vehicle. Turn the ignition key for no more than 5 seconds. If it doesn't start, wait for 2 to 3 minutes before trying again. Avoid cranking the engine continuously for more than 5 seconds to protect your starter motor. Once your car starts, immediately turn off the jump pack. After your car starts, disconnect the black negative clamp first, then the red positive clamp. Drive your vehicle for at least 20 to 30 minutes. This allows your car's alternator to fully recharge its battery. Remember to recharge your jump pack as soon as possible after every use, so it's always ready for the next emergency. Store it in a cool, dry place and check its charge level every 3 months to ensure its longevity and reliability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.